Can you guess the Clash Royale cards by their sound? It's impossible to get the last one. Let's go. Starting off easy. Mini P.E.K.K.A. Before we move on, big props to everyone who guessed the 6-7 last time. It was the Golem.
Showtime! Magic!
Fire! Fire!
Fireball! Fireball!
You're seriously jinxed if you miss this one. Wizard. One last easy one. Valkyrie. Bonus round. You'll reach Ultimate Champion, but don't message the first person that shows up when you press share, then more. Now let's jump into medium level. Goblin Barrel.
Electricity! Electrify! Zap! Electrons!
What's this one? Electro Wizard. You're not OG if you don't get this one. Battle Ram. Hard level now, guess this. Royal Ghost. And this one. Battle Healer. Last hard before we go 6-7. P.E.K.K.A. Now 6-7. Are you ready for 6-7 level? Follow me for more Clash Royale trivia. Let's go. Prove you're OG. Drop your answer in the comments.